Hey guys, it's Alex back again to talk about gear maintenance. If last year you forgot about your gear in the back of your hot car, SUV, or truck for 2 months and then panicked and brought it inside to put it away, this video might be for you. Once your paddling season is done, you probably want to start thinking about how you're going to put away your gear. This is super important as it's actually a long period of time where your gear is just sitting, it can wear, it can degrade, and you want to make sure your gear is ready for the next season so you're good to go right off the hop. The first thing you want to do when you finish your season is you want to wash your gear. So go through all the steps we've already talked about. Wash your gear, reapply your DWR coating so it's fresh and ready to go, and completely dry your gear inside and out. This is super important as you want your gear to be dry when you're storing it so no mold or mildew can accumulate on the membrane and cause any deterioration. Once it's dry, before you put it away, you want to take the time, I'm so guilty of forgetting this step, but take the time to inspect your gear. See if there's any noticeable wear, any delamination, any holes, any leaks that you may have thought you noticed during the year but forgot about. And if you see any issues like lifting seam tape or obvious wear and tear, it's a good time to start thinking about repair. If there's just a little wear and tear, a hole you know about, you can probably patch that yourself, or you can send it in to us and we're happy to do that. Once you've done all that, you're good to go. Your suit or dry top or jacket is looking good. If you have a latex gasket, that's a great time to put on a gasket UV protectant spray, and you want to spray it on and wipe it off. So you don't want to leave it saturated, you just basically want to leave a thin film on the gasket for storage. Once you've done that, you want to roll your suit, garment, whatever it is, whatever your waterproof breathable piece of gear is, roll it up real loosely so it's not too scrunched up, and put it in some sort of Rubbermaid or Tupperware container so that it is sealed and protected from mice and rodents during the winter, so there's no one chewing in there and making a nest and causing a whole bunch of new holes in your garment. And you want to store that in some sort of temperature controlled area that's not too warm, it's not too cold, and it's not super humid. You want to keep it nice and dry so it's ready to go for the next season. All right, finally, done those. Good to go.
You still have to go swimming.
Natalie, we're in the office.